Fixing Error Code 10 in Marvel Rival is really easy to do. Now, without further ado, the first thing you're going to need to do to fix this issue is you simply want to go over to the option Task Manager and actually make sure you can see actually all the applications here. Some involve a lot more CPU and memory than others. You're actually going to right click on it and actually in the application if you're not using it, because it takes up a lot of space in a lot of these do. So you actually want to make sure Marvel Rival gets all of the data, all of the CPU on your computer at the moment, so that it can actually fix this issue, because that is one of the major reasons why it's crashing. Now, once you've done this, you want to actually run Steam as an administrator so that we can get into the nitty-gritty of this fixing process. And once you've enabled that, you just want to go over to your library on this page like so. And as you can see, we in the bottom left-hand corner, we click on this option called Add a Non-Steam Game. And we basically want to just add this to here. So you click on this option. And as you can see, if we go over here, make sure Marvel Rivals is added. But if we go over to here on Marvel Rivals and click on installed files like so, you can actually click on this verify integrity of game file option. And actually just click on this option, verify the integrity of game files. This is basically verifying your account, making sure that you're not a robot. So you definitely want to do that. Otherwise, your account may be flagged for not being human or just not being legit. This should allow you to actually verify the game and allow you to successfully fix this error.